Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to view your Windows security sign-in username and password, and let's get straight into the video. So in order to view this, all you have to do is go over to the search bar in the bottom left and type in Control Panel. Once you type in Control Panel, you can go ahead and open that up. Make your way over to User Accounts when you find Control Panel, and then go ahead and just click on User Account. And then now once you are here, you will be able to see in the blue box your name and then your email. And then the password will be the email associated with your account. They won't actually tell you the password, but if you know the email, then you should know the password as well. And then yes, that is basically it. That is how to view your username for your Windows security sign-in and your password as well. And yeah, that should be it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.